everyone. Today we're talking about the Pilates exercise single leg stretch. How to progress it, how to regress it, and how to make it available to your body. So let's look at the ideal version. We're gonna start seated as we just came out of spine stretch forward. We grab your outside leg with your outside hand on your ankle and your other hand on your knee. We roll back, land on top of our shoulders with the leg up, and push and change. Now your belly is pulling in, and your belly is lifting up toward your ribs. Your chin is tucked, and your shoulder blades are hovering just along the mat. Now, how to make that easier? Come all the way up, sit up nice and tall. Bring one knee in, hug it in, and push and change the leg. Drag the heel on the mat. Now you're just working on the hand position. So keep your head up nice and tall, your chest lifted. And now, how do we progress it from here? So it's in between the ideal version and this. Think of it as training wheels for Pilates. So curl all the way down and put the leg to the sky. Curl up, hover your shoulder blades above the mat, push and change. Push and change. Now your tailbone is grounded, your leg is externally rotated. It's not toes in, it's externally rotated. Push and change. Same concept. If you want to make it harder, you lower the leg. Now, this can be tricky for some people. Put down your head. Like if you have neck issues, you're going to want to do it with your head down. So same concept. Push and change. Now you're just doing the arm movements. And your breath pattern for this exercise is inhaling and exhaling. So inhale, change again, exhale, change again. Now don't get hung up on breath, as I just want you to move. Inhale, exhale, and bend. So hopefully that cleared up some questions for you on the Pilates exercise single leg stretch. Now you know how to progress it, how to regress it, and if your neck hurts, you just put it down. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when I post new videos to the channel. Until next time, I'll see you on your mat. Bye.